In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of the Ryanair. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can confidently end your session, especially if you're on a shared or public device. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Ryanair website. You can type the address into the address bar or use your search engine to find it. Once the homepage loads, give it a moment. Sometimes the site tailors content based on your location or language, but that won't affect signing out. Make sure you're already signed into your account. If you see options to sign in instead of your name or profile icon, you're likely not logged in and won't need to log out. Next, look for the My Ryanair portal. On desktop, this is usually at the top right of the page. It might appear as your name, your initials inside a small circle, or a profile icon. Click that to open the account menu. On a mobile browser, you may need to tap the main menu icon first, then find My Ryanair or your profile option within that menu. Don't worry if the wording varies slightly. Airlines sometimes adjust labels, but you're looking for the section that holds your account details and settings. Inside the My Ryanair portal, find the Log Out option. It's typically near the bottom of the menu that appears when you open your account panel. Click Log Out. The site should process the request and return you to a page where you no longer see your name or profile icon. To confirm you're fully signed out, check that you now see a sign in or log in option where your profile details used to be. You shouldn't be able to access your bookings or personal information without signing in again. If the page looks unchanged, try refreshing your browser. If you still appear to be signed in, close and reopen the tab, or clear the site's cookies for a fresh session. A few quick tips for peace of mind. If you used a shared or public computer, close all Ryanair tabs after logging out and avoid saving your password in the browser. If you don't see the logout option, you may have been automatically signed out due to inactivity. And if you had multiple tabs open, logging out in one tab should sign you out across all of them, but it's good practice to refresh those other tabs to confirm. That's it. You've successfully signed out of Ryanair and secured your account.